Welcome back to Grizz Vision here on GoldenGrizzlies.com. My name is Neil Rule. We're here with men's soccer head coach Eric Pogue. And coach, through everything, through the summer workouts, through the non-conference schedule, through all the 8 Horizon League games so far, or 7 Horizon League games so far, it comes down to this, the 8th one, and it's all on the line.
Yeah, I mean, it's, I guess that's Conference Horizon League soccer, and I just think that's league play in any sport that you look at. I think if you would have asked me if we were going to be 5-0-2 going into the final week of the year, and you hadn't sewn up the regular season championship, I'd be pretty surprised. But that's the reality of where we're at. Detroit's having a great year, and we're having a great year, and it comes down to this final weekend. And for us, the only thing we can do is control what we can control, and what we can control is going to Valpo and playing a great Valpo team and looking to get a result against them, and then just kind of wait and you see what happens at Milwaukee. But we put ourselves in a good position, and all we can do is all we can do, and our guys are ready for a tough Valpo team here on Friday night.
And of course, it comes down to you and Valpo, and then what happens in Milwaukee with the Milwaukee-Detroit match. But Coach, have you ever had a season like this? I mean, if I just level with you for a second, you're sitting there coming out of the Incarnate Word game, and you're 0-5 at the time, and you're thinking to yourself, what is going on here? And then all of a sudden the script flips. You get a nationally ranked win over a top 10 Michigan State team. You beat Ohio State, and here you are sitting with the chance to win this championship. You pose the question, what would you think if you were 5-0-2 and going? What if I told you when you were 0-5 if you're going to be 5-0-2 in conference play?
Yeah, I mean it's that's probably why a lot of people don't get into coaching. But I've probably lost about 15 years on my life this year and these past couple months. But we always believed in ourselves. Even back then when we were 0-5, it's like we weren't getting the results. And at the end of the day, you can say you're not an 0-5 team, but if you haven't won in 5 games, you're 0-5. So, but we knew we were close. We were just, we knew we were giving up too many goals, and so we just used it as an opportunity heading into that UIC game when we were 0-5 to say, all right, that season's behind us, and all we can do is focus on what we say is always the most important thing, which is the Horizon League. Well, here we go. It is the Horizon League, and in between, we were able to go on a good string and be playing some good soccer here at this time of the year. And we've done it in the past where we played well in the beginning and then we struggled down the backstretch. And this year it's been a little bit of the opposite. And, in an ideal world, you want to be playing great all year round. I just think that's really difficult over the stretch of 20 games in a 2.5-month period of time frame. And so you're going to have some slip-ups, and even a loss like Michigan, people say, but it was away from home, and they turn around and beat a quality team like Michigan State on their home field the next night, and they're going on a little run. And so that's soccer for you, and I think that's the beauty of playoff soccer, end of the year. That's what happens here, and this last stretch, I mean, all the coaches we're all vying for those final playoff spots, the seeding, the home field advantage, the buys, and we're lucky enough to have sewn up at least a bye into the semifinals, and we know we're going to be sleeping on our own bed either way, whether it's us or Detroit. So we're thankful for that, and I've told the guys I'm proud of them no matter what happens, because you're playing a great team like Valpo, and you're playing them away from home, and they're vying to get into the playoffs as well, and so if we go out there and give it our best effort, and however the chips may fall, we know we're sleeping in our own bed. We got to buy into the semifinals, and we'll be ready to play whatever tough opponent's going to come our way. And so but we're most excited to get down there tomorrow night and support our Oakland women's program playing against Detroit there in the semifinals. And we're super excited to be able to get down there and be at Valpo no matter what and support our ladies. And after that exciting quarterfinal win, for us to be able to go down there and really give them a ton of support, I think will give us a home field advantage at a neutral site, and I know the guys and our staff are excited to do that.
All right, Coach, certainly do appreciate the time. Good luck, and we'll catch back up with you right before the tournament.
Okay, thank you.